Hello, Williams, Philippines here. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out where I lost something to. I already did this once. It didn't save where I thought it was going to save. I can't find it. Such fun. Anyway, it is about 11:15 on Sunday, January 19th of 2025. It's cold outside. Yeah. It even got colder than what they thought it was. It was supposed to get only down to 9, got all the way down to 7 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, I don't know about you, but I am tired of the cold weather. I am so ready to go fishing. I want to be in the Philippines. I want to be on, an 80-degree day. All I know is I'm tired of being cold. At this point, I'm tired of being cold. Yeah, it's supposed to be cold with a chance of snow tomorrow morning, too. So, oh, yay. I still want to know where my film went, or my video went. It is what it is. Anyway, I got my enclosure in. I forgot to carry it to work with me last night, so I didn't get the SSD swapped over to the new enclosure because I forgot it. But I got to do it because, yeah, the can't have this thing running full bloat, full burn and constantly. If you're using it, I see it heating up and getting hot. It's supposed to, but it's not supposed to stay hot and just run the whole time. Even when it's unmounted, it's hot. Yeah. It's ready for it to be disconnected, and no data should be going back and forth. Why is this thing sitting here burning? Yeah, not good. So I got to get that swapped over and taken care of. And I looked on that drive-in; it's not there. uh, I'm gonna get it figured out. Anyway, while this is uploading, I'm gonna swap that out and get that took care of. Because hey, it needs to be done. I'm ready for it to be done. Hopefully, this one won't have the same problem. This enclosure. Let's see. Friend tried to talk me into taking one of her little Chihuahua puppies. After I told her, she's been trying to get me to do that for a couple of days. I told her about hitting the puppy on Friday. She says, "Well, now you need to get this one." No. Okay, I run somebody else's dog over, and I should get another one to replace it here at my house. Don't get me wrong, I like dogs. In fact, I really love my dogs. I'm more of a big dog person than I am a little dog, but I've had little dogs too. I always worry about squishing little dogs. Yeah, I do miss my dogs. My last three, it's very different personalities. Blotto, he wanted to stay outside. He hated it inside. Jack, he didn't care one way or the other, but he come inside and enjoy it. Mutler, he wanted inside until he wanted outside. And then he wanted to go enjoy outside and then come back here and, he did not like cold weather. Old. Yeah, he was 16 or 17, 15, something like that when he passed. He was old. Uh, he was old when he was already old, like 4 or 5 years old when I got him. So yeah, some trucker had tossed him out, and that or he jumped out. I don't know. But yeah, he was kind of beat up when I found him. Brought him home. Turned out to be a good dog. Uh, Ended up getting Jack after that, and those two become partners in crime. And a couple years ago, Jack went after Mutler, 1 year almost to the day. That's why I got my cats. And now I've got those gone. I'm missing having critters. I don't even have chickens in the backyard right now, or quail. I was talking with my friend and pointing out that somebody over there in the Philippines at one time was doing quail. I don't know. I think she's still doing them. I have to try to catch up and check out the quail she's got. Quail are good eating. Quail eggs are great eating. Problem with quail eating quail, it's such a small bird, but it's a very tasty bird. It is what it is. But yeah, the it's one of the things that I would like to try to raise when I get over there and find me a place I want to settle down. Because hey, all the different types of things that you can raise for yourself. I'm kind of partial to having a bit of a farm. I wonder, uh, would they let you bring over a Angus? Or, hey, I tell you what, it'd really be fun. Bring over a Texas Longhorn. Yeah, Texas Longhorns are, well, they're just ornery critters. Have a bad tendency of wanting to drag the horns across things. They're just that way. But yeah, they have some advantages. Coyotes and wolves and such. Yeah. Get a bunch of longhorns together and they're safe. Maybe one on one you can take them out, but you get a bunch of them together, you don't want to be up there trying to mess with them. Uh, you'll get the point the hard way. Anyway, yeah. I wonder what they would do with if I was to try to bring a cow over. uh, Hell, it's like, ever heard of a Hereford? Well, there's a little town that direction. Yeah, Hereford, Texas, to the southwest of us. Other side, Pass Canyon. Yeah, little town called Hereford. Couldn't possibly be, oh, a cow named after him. Yeah. And we do have a lot of cows around here. I like beef. But hey, beef's beef, whatever cow it comes from. So, yay. But yeah, I may have to try to do something like that. I don't know. I enjoy having animals around. It's kind of what we do, you know. Raise animals, end up with your food. Raise your food. And I hear all these people talking about, being green while spending millions of dollars worth of energy to set up the infrastructure for, Teslas. Long extension cords, still coal powered. Unless you can actually get out there, get your own windmill. But hey, somebody had to make the windmill, and that used natural gas, oil, nuclear. Yeah, you got to look at those things. Somebody was once talking about, it's not time for electrical cars. We don't have the infrastructure for them. We don't have the batteries that really work for them. Yes, we have batteries that work for them, but they're using batteries that require lithium and all this fun stuff there. And yeah, the costs ain't right for them. Don't get me wrong, Musk is doing a lot with Tesla to find a better battery. I hope he does find it and get it set up and gets to actually have a battery that is right, that you can, pull up, charge, and in 20, 30 minutes at the most, be able to drive down the road and do 200 miles. Because until you can actually get to where you can do something like that, uh, there's just too much energy concentrated in a gallon of gas. It's there's a lot of things you got to look at when you consider electric cars and all that stuff, your infrastructure, and yeah, we're getting better. There's cars out there that run on diesel that get 40 miles, 50 miles to the gallon. You're not gonna get the batteries there for a while till you get better batteries. And Musk is working on those. But yeah, when you can, go 40 miles on a gallon of diesel, and that gallon of diesel, you know, the car that it's in can hold, 12 gallons. Let's see, that's 480 miles. Yeah, that's a bit of traveling. And you can pull over and fill that tank up in 5-10 minutes. By the time you walk into the store and pay for it and come back out with a soda pop, you're about 20 minutes. Now, if you can take in, or, pull up, plug in, go in the store, come back out in 20 minutes, and get in your car and drive 300-400 miles on an electric charge that you get in 20-30 minutes, then you've got something. But I hear all these folks talking about, being green because they're driving a Tesla. Basically, they're just plugging into a coal power plant with an extension cord. Yet most of them don't go out and try to raise their own food. Yeah, shipping this, that, and the other. Something I like about the Philippines, they've got a lot of their own stuff right there. A lot of folks grow their own food right there. I like that idea. Like I say, I've had a few meals that the only thing that traveled was the oil that I cooked it in and the salt, pepper I put on it. Now the food came from, plant over here that brings in and grinds the mills down and, makes the feed pellets. And yeah, I'm in an area where we produce a lot of feed, and we raise a lot of beef, all that fun stuff. But yeah, folks got to look at the whole picture, not just a little piece of it. Anyway, I'm tired. I want to get this done so I can get some sleep. It was a long one. Boss will be happy because the numbers are up. And if we keep this going the way we're going this month, I'll probably have doubled last year just in the first month. Well, doubled last year or last month. Last year's January. I'm probably going to end up doubling it at the rate I'm going, which is a good thing. I think it's going to be real close. We still got basically 10 days to go, 11 days to go, something like that. Oh, Trump's getting installed tomorrow. TikTok's off. I don't know. Kind of like with the TP-Link routers. TikTok is Chinese owned. And China ain't good guys. Don't get me wrong, America's not that good either. Things that's been going on here with that in those areas has been downright messed up. Hopefully Trump can do something about it, but I don't know. He seems to be hitting the ground running. But yeah, there's a lot of issues when it comes down to government here. Government period worldwide. Problem is, people are wanting people to be in charge. And yeah, folks, God's there for a reason. You might want to let him be in charge. But hey, we asked for kings and judges and then wonder why we don't like them. Well, let's see. Oh, that's right. They come from we, the humans on this planet. And, oh yeah, we, the humans on this planet, are corrupt, sinful, do things we shouldn't do. And then you wonder why we have problems with government. Yeah. Anyway. Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and some more food. Hope you've enjoyed your weekend and that it's been a blessed one. Anyway, I'm Fish, and hey, fish is out. Later blessings, bye-bye.